Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this online legitimate lender, which is OppLoans. So to dive into it, so talking about OppLoans is a legitimate online lender designed for people with poor or limited credit who need a fast access to cash. It offers installment loan from $500 to $5,000 with a quick approval, same-day funding, and no origination fee. Another plus is that OppLoans only does a soft credit check, so applying won't affect your FICO score. Many customers also appreciate the easy application process and the fact that the complaint is accredited by the BBB with an A+ rating. So talking about the downside, on the downside, it is extremely high interest rate, ranging from 160% to nearly 200% APR, which makes it borrowing very expensive. While it can be a lifeline in emergency, many borrowers end up repaying far more than they initially borrowed, and some report aggressive collection practice. Overall, OppLoans is legit, but you should only be using the platform for fast or last resort. So if you have other options like credit union or low interest lender, those will almost always be the better choice for you compared to OppLoans. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.